Talking about daily planning, we've already discussed the 3 plus 3, and we've also discussed time estimations. If you have forgotten what those are, hit pause right now and please go back and rewatch those particular modules. But otherwise, if you feel pretty comfortable, you have an idea what the 3 plus 3 is, you have an idea of what the time estimations are, then it's time to move on to time padding. If you go back and revisit those time blocking examples, you'll remember those gaps in the schedules in there. And they were based on patterns that were identified when unexpected questions and requests and demands would come in. So you need to think about how much reactionary time do you have in the day? Do you have 9 hours of reactionary time? It's just all day and then some. Is it 8 hours of unexpected time? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? How much reactionary time, how much unexpected time do you truly have? Because sometimes we feel like it's all day long, but when we really start paying attention to it and tracking it, we realize be about an hour in the morning, an hour in the afternoon, or for some people, it's all afternoon. So begin paying attention to these patterns because this will help you build in that padded time into your calendar. So you know how to plan for it, you know how to block it off. It would be great if you could start this for tomorrow, but chances are you already have a pretty full calendar for tomorrow. So what you'll want to start doing is reserving as much padded time as you can until you can build out a little more. But the good thing is that if you begin applying all of these various strategies that we're talking about within this course, then eventually with all the preventive measures that you're putting in place, with you improving with your planning and your task efficiency, this should help scale back at least somewhat the amount of unexpected and reactionary time you actually need to reserve. So for now, just start with an estimate of how much unexpected time you need so that way you can at least reserve those portions on your calendar.